board paid with mayhem. Left you in the house but got a call later. Hey lady, your cat's having a fit. It's destroying all, there's no stopping it. Bad cat, yeah. Bad cat, Bad cat, yeah. Bad cat, Called my friend to get you, cat was nowhere to be seen. She went back home but could hardly believe her own apartment had also been smashed by the bad, bad kitty cat. Bad cat, yeah. Bad cat, Bad cat, yeah. Bad cat, Back home I walked, stopping for some shopping, but the whole marketplace was smashed to nothing. Called the police, first it was no help. They brought out the Doges to the jail, the cat went. Bad cat, yeah. Bad cat, Bad cat, yeah. Bad cat, They couldn't stop you for long. Escaped through the vent. Such a fun place where the noobs also went. Nothing can stop this crazy cat. I heard it was even wearing a customized hat. Bad cat, yeah. Bad cat, Bad cat, yeah. Bad cat, Shrines and clubs, you found your way to me. Even through it all, I forgive thee. Look at that face, such a cute cat. I love you, you silly brat. Cute cat, yeah. Cute cat, Cute cat, yeah. Cute cat, I love you, you silly brat. How could I stay mad?